Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review on the Chanel Diana bag in medium lambskin, and she is a beauty. Now today I'm going to do a detailed review. I've had this bag for about 3 years or so, and I've never done an unboxing. I've never really done a detailed video, so I'm going to talk about the pros, the cons, what I think about it, and if I think that you should maybe consider buying it or not. If you like this, then keep on watching. Okay, so before I get into this video, my name is Tabby and I like to do videos on fashion, luxury, lifestyle, sustainability, and also vlogs. And so that leads me into my collaboration. So today I'm going to quickly talk about Ana Luisa. You guys have probably heard of them. They are all over Instagram, all over YouTube. I've seen them but have never really known what the brand was about until I researched this brand before saying yes to the collaboration. And I am truly happy to be working with them. I really like the whole philosophy behind this brand. Now if you don't know, they are a zero carbon emission brand. They are a sustainable brand, and what they take with the carbon with making all their jewelry, they also put out with oxygen. They also work with a nonprofit group that helps like save trees, which I absolutely love because, you know, I really love nature here in Boulder. I'm always out and about, and I'm really trying to be mindful over my consumption and over consumerism. And I like to, again, have nice things, but also when I do purchase, I want to make sure that they are not leaving a huge footprint behind. So with Ana Luisa, they have sustainable practices all the way from making their items, recycling their jewelry. They get recycled metals and then they make their jewelry from that. They also like try to do less waste with their packaging and also with their shipping. So there's just so much more into like how sustainable they are, and I really love that so much. I'm going to leave like this little clip right here because I want to show you how like detailed they are into showing how much they're like love the earth and how they want to do like take care of it and be sustainable. It's like a whole detailed like thing about where they get their metals and whatnot. So if you're interested in it like I am, then please check out their website. But the main focus is these jewelry pieces that I got sent. I got 3 jewelry pieces sent to me, and they use brass, and then they plate it with a thick plating of gold so that it can last for a very long time. It doesn't tarnish. They also have silver pieces. They also have like this one is silver plated with gold, so is this one. And I just really like that they recycle their metals, and then they make it like triple thick, like they make really thick gold plating so that you don't have to worry about tarnishing. They also have like a return policy. I believe if you have any issues with it within 365 days, you can return it. So I really like that. They are very nice jewelry pieces that you can get from $39 and up. So let me show you the pieces that I do have. I got sent these. So this is the Paris earrings. As you can probably tell, it looks like a little croissant. It is brass. It's very substantial and very weighty, but not too heavy on my earrings, on my ears. It is also gold plated, and then I just love how it gives you like a classic look to really any outfit, but also you can kind of edge it up with the other pieces that I do have. Now I also have these little hoop earrings. I don't know the names, so I'm just gonna put the names right here, but these have little stars and they are cubic zirconium. So this is lab grown, and there's 3 little stars on this, and it has like a little chain dangling down. I paired these 2 together. And then I also, on the top of my cartilage, also will stack it with this top earring right here, which is small loop, and it has like a chain hanging from it. It has cubic zirconium on it, and so you don't have to worry about that. It's lab grown, so you don't have to worry about the ethical things behind diamonds. I really like that because it just adds a little pop and a little different aspect with these chains. So really you can honestly like pair them in so many different ways, but that is how I am wearing them today. I love these pieces. I'm going to actually do a review on it. If you guys want, let me know. But so far so good. The only thing that I would say with this earring is that the rod is actually a titanium, and typically I thought I was allergic to everything but gold and silver. But so far I haven't had any like allergic swelling or like infections coming from these earrings. And then also these earrings, I don't have any reactions at all because it's gold. So yeah, so I just wanted to show you these pieces. I think they're beautiful. I will leave their information down below. I do have a discount code for you guys. I don't get paid in any way. It's just for you guys to get a 10% discount code off. So yes, I really like them a lot. And let's get started with my Chanel review. Wow, that was long. Okay guys, so what I have here is my Chanel Diana bag, and it is in lambskin. It is lambskin. It is in the medium size. It has the gold-plated hardware. It is from the early 90s, and also if you look in the front right here, there's like a little square, and that means it was gold-plated and they used to do that back in the days, and now they don't do that anymore. So I really think this bag is special in that way. It has again the gold-plated gold chains. This is the medium size. I will put the dimensions right here. And then they have a smaller size, which I think a lot of girls like as well. But I think with that one, it doesn't carry as much. This one carries a good amount, not too much, not too little. It is also just a single strap with the two little gold grommets right here, as you can see. It does not have a back pocket that, you know, Chanel bags sometimes are known for. It does not have any feet. And that is pretty much the details for the outside. Now, as far as the story goes, I purchased it from the the Facebook Addicted like Chanel buy and sell website, or is it page, yes. And I got it for such a good price 3 years ago, and now I'm looking at it briefly, and it looks like Chanel Diana bags have gone up so much, because I think that vintage bags are really popular now. And I bought this 3 years ago. I think 3 years ago, I think the price ranges were around $2,000 to upward $3,000 ish. I got this for around $2,000 for a pretty good deal because of two reasons. No, because of one reason really, and it did not come with the authentication card or the sticker, but I did not mind because it got authenticated with the leather surgeons, and I have a certificate and all that. And also I was never planning on selling this bag. Now I don't recommend that, because typically when I buy bags, I always like to have I always like to have authentication card. I always like to have the sticker in the inside, but in this case I was not willing to pay that much for a vintage bag at that time, and also I was not planning on selling this bag at all. So if you're not planning on selling it, then, you know, I just love this bag so much. I wanted it to be like a collector's piece. Not really a collector's piece, but just something to have, because I just really think it's nostalgic. And I don't believe the real name is the Chanel Diana bag. Princess Diana made this bag popular in the early 90s when it came out. I believe it was only out for 5 years, from the early 90s to like 95 or something like that. She wore the small like all the time, and women were like drooling over it. You've probably seen the pictures, and that's why I got this bag too. I just think it's so iconic. I think it's very different than, it's similar enough to the classic flap and different enough that it just makes it so truly special. And when I bought it 3 years ago, there really wasn't much videos on it. I think, what was her name? Oh gosh, what was her name? Her mom gave it to her, Eva. I'll put her name right here. She had one a long time ago in like the caviar, I think. Really, there was another Instagrammer that had it. I'll put her review, her blog review down below. She had it, and that was about it. There wasn't many people that had it, and now I see that there's an influx in people getting it. So that's very exciting, and that's why I felt like it was pretty essential to get a review on it. So the medium size is just a tad bigger. I will insert a clip right here of maybe it's this size comparison to the Chanel wallet and chain, if you're familiar with that, or the Speedy 25. So I'll kind of put them to the side, because those are kind of like common bags that a lot of girls know the size of, like from the top of their head, I think. So I will kind of compare that. I'll just put like a little insert. And I think this size is really good for me personally because well, we'll get into that in a little bit. I'm kind of all over the place, but that's okay. We're just gonna make it real life. Now, I really like this because when you turn the clasp, and I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to hear it because my AC is running, but you hear that? That is the spring clasp, the spring inside there. So when it turns, it has that spring, which I really like about this bag a lot. But anyways, let's get into the inside. The inside has a little wear, but that's okay because that's the inside, and this bag is like 20 something plus years old. And then we get the stuffing out. And then in the inside, it is burgundy. You have the Chanel right here, right there. And let me see, it's so hard, the lighting. Chanel, and then it has the little CC right here. It's focusing on my face. Ah, you can't see, my face is in the way. But on this zipper, I'm gonna put a little close up. There is a CC in it. Then there's a zipper pocket in the back. And then there's this little pocket right here. And then in the inside, you can see where the sticker should, well, no, you cannot see, but the sticker should have been in the inside. But again, like I said, this was authenticated, and so I had no concerns about it, and I'm planning on keeping it forever. Or I'm actually, to tell you the truth, I love this bag so much, but I actually don't get it, I don't wear it as much as I thought I would. And my mom's been wanting a Chanel classic flap. Oh my gosh, my kids are home for summer break and they're jumping all over the place. These bags now, if I didn't say earlier, I have looked quickly and they are ranging from about 3,000 to, gosh, like upward 2,000 to like 5,000-ish, which I think is incredibly ridiculous. But maybe because the vintage bags are so popular now, and also like this is so classic because of Princess Diana and whatnot. They did reissue this bag again in the 2000s-ish. I believe it was a little different where they also had the caviar leather too. I've seen this in different colors as well. They have it in white, they have it in cream, and I've seen it in pink. And I also, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think I've seen it in patent leather. But personally, I think this is the most classic. Okay, so we've gotten into kind of like what my thoughts are on the bag. Let's go into the pros. The pros of this bag is, okay, first off, it's super unique. You don't really see many girls carrying this. Second, sorry I keep moving back and forth. I kind of want to give you guys like the true lighting of it, like natural lighting and then a little bit of room lighting. So first off, it's unique. Second, it can be considered a collector's piece. Third, I really like the gold plating of it. Fourth, I also like that it's not a double flap. The next pro is, gosh, oh, what can I say? It falls at a really good length for me. I'm 5'2", and hopefully you can see. I'm gonna probably insert pictures. I am 5'2", and crossbody, it falls like just, well, as you can see, like right there. I think it's such a good length. And then it's a little long, like on my side, but not really. So I really do like the length of where it falls. As you can see, it also, like I said, there's just so many great things about it. And when I bought it, the price point was right. So those are the pros for that. The cons would be that now it's too expensive, I personally think, to buy it unless you can find like a really good deal somewhere. Second, I thought it is kind of a con that it can only be like single strap, but there is a way to wear it double flap. Now I know probably some of you guys will feel uncomfortable with it, but all you do is get the inside of the chain right here, and then the other side of the chain, and you can tie a bow right here with any kind of bow, or put a little like circle clasp in here. And then I would prefer, I think I like the bow better because it doesn't like rub on the inside of the bag, but the inside of the bag again is kind of a little. And then so it's pinches, and then you can have it like, not double flap, sorry. You can have it shorter length. So shorter length, it would look like this if it was bowed in the inside. And then I never wore it double strapped, but I believe you could just pull the inside chain like this, and then go around like that, and then close it up like this. And again, it is double strap like that. But I think some of you guys, like some diehard like purse lovers, and also I kind of don't like doing that too. I feel like you could rub on the side of this, but maybe for a quick date night that would be great. So yeah. Oh, I forgot to show you the detail right here. There is a little like Chanel right there detail. I really just think that the cons for this is that it is expensive now, and also this is lambskin for my personal one, so it can be delicate, it can get scratches, but it's not as delicate as people think. And it's still really puffy. So, and also the leather surgeon can repair. I also have like, I forgot to show you, I have a little scratch right here, which I need to get it fixed, but it's not too bad. This video is getting like super long. So I'm going to do a separate video on what can fit in this Chanel Diana bag. So stay tuned for that. I probably will do a what's in my bag or what fits in it, but it does fit a medium-sized amount. I don't want this video to be too long, like I said, so forgive me if I don't have what fits in it, but I will quickly film that video and then have it linked below so you can click on that. But yeah, that is my general thoughts. I don't have anything else to say. Thank you so much for watching this. Again, thank you Ana Luisa for sending me my jewelry pieces. Check out their discount code down below. And if you have any further questions, please let me know, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!